Welcome to our exploration of renewable energy systems, a balanced comparison. In this video, we'll delve into the diverse landscape of renewable energy sources, from solar and wind to hydropower, geothermal, biomass, and tidal energy. We'll break down how each system works, their efficiency and costs, providing a comprehensive overview to help you understand the potential of these green alternatives. Join us as we illuminate the path towards a sustainable energy future. 1. Understanding renewable energy. Renewable energy is a concept that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Essentially, it refers to energy that is collected from resources which are naturally replenished on a human timescale. This includes sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. Imagine the energy from the sun being captured and transformed into electricity to power your home. That's the magic of renewable energy. The beauty of these resources is that they are abundant and inexhaustible. As awareness around climate change grows, more individuals and governments are looking toward renewable sources as a solution to reduce carbon footprints and create a sustainable future. 2. Solar power. Harnessing the sun. Solar power is possibly the most recognized form of renewable energy. By placing solar panels on rooftops or in large solar farms, we can convert sunlight directly into electricity. It's like planting a garden, but instead of vegetables, you're harvesting sunlight. The advantages are clear: solar energy is clean, reduces electricity bills, and requires minimal maintenance once installed. However, there are challenges too. The initial setup costs can be high, and efficiency can be affected by weather conditions. Not every location receives ample sunlight year-round, making it less feasible in some regions. 3. Wind energy. Capturing the breeze. Wind energy is another prominent player in the renewable sector. Picture a vast field dotted with towering wind turbines, their blades gracefully slicing through the air. These turbines convert wind's kinetic energy into electricity. Wind farms are typically located in open areas with consistent wind flow, such as coastal regions or open plains. The benefits are plentiful. Wind energy is clean, cost-effective, and scalable. However, its effectiveness is dependent on location, and some people find the sight of wind turbines unsightly. Additionally, they can be noisy and pose threats to bird populations if not properly managed. 4. Hydropower. The force of water. Hydropower has been around for centuries, utilizing the energy of flowing water to produce electricity. Dams are the most common method, where water flow is controlled to turn turbines. Think of it like a giant water wheel, continuously turning to generate power. Hydropower is reliable and can produce a large amount of electricity. However, building dams can have environmental impacts, such as altering ecosystems and displacing communities. The balance between generating power and preserving nature is crucial in this energy form. 5. Geothermal energy. Earth's natural heat. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat to generate electricity or provide direct heating. Imagine the Earth as a giant furnace, constantly producing heat. This energy is harnessed by drilling wells and capturing steam or hot water from underground. Geothermal energy is stable and doesn't depend on weather conditions, making it a reliable source. However, its application is limited to regions with volcanic activity or hot springs. The initial investment can be high, but the long-term benefits often outweigh the costs. 6. Biomass. Energy from organic matter. Biomass energy is produced from organic materials like wood, agricultural crops, or waste. It's akin to nature recycling itself, using plant and animal residues to generate power. This energy form can be used for heating, electricity, and even transportation fuels. Biomass is versatile and can reduce waste, but it requires careful management to ensure sustainability. Overharvesting or inefficient use can lead to deforestation and other environmental issues. Striking a balance between resource use and regeneration is critical. 7. Tidal energy. The ocean's rhythm. Tidal energy harnesses the power of ocean tides to produce electricity. Think of it as dancing to the ocean's rhythm, capturing the ebb and flow to generate power. This form of energy is predictable and can produce significant amounts of electricity. However, tidal power plants can be expensive to build and may impact marine ecosystems. The technology is still in its infancy, with limited installations worldwide, but it holds potential for future development. 8. Comparing efficiency and costs. When comparing these renewable energy systems, efficiency and cost are key factors. Solar and wind energy have seen significant reductions in cost over the years, making them more accessible to the general public. However, their efficiency can vary based on location and weather. Hydropower and geothermal energy provide more consistent outputs but come with higher initial costs and potential environmental impacts. Biomass and tidal energy offer unique advantages but require careful management and technological advancements. Each system has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice often depends on local resources and needs.